It's been a while, since pre-calculus, I secretly lead to myself. You got a lot harder, but you will always be difficult to me.
But now you look a bit different. Now you're limited changing a function to your corresponding change in x when the ladder in front of me approaches 0.
I tried your derivatives, but I want to change the subject.
Then a test came up with power, quotient, product, and chain rule.
X with dy dx, x cubed plus 1 is just use the power. The answer would be 3x squared. Just remember to get rid of the constant.
Nothing else comes to my mind other than your graph of the function. You scared me when you ask what the graph is. That makes me become terrified. I can derive you, I'm not afraid now. You know how I was in the past, and when time passes by now, it'll be clear. We just need to study. I need to formulate dy dx now to get your extreme numbers using your second derivative sign for your critical numbers. Your critical numbers.
Just take the 2 and multiply it by the 3, which is a constant, then decrease the 2 by 1. You have the answer. The second derivative is 6x.
So here's something not to forget. If you graph the second derivative, you see that the points of the function are the points are where the second derivative is 0.
Now for concavity, you look at the curves. If the curve bends up, then it's concave upward. And if the curve bends down, then it's concave downward.
I can derive you, I'm not afraid now. You know how I was in the past, and when time passes by now, it'll be clear now. We just need to study. I need to formulate dy dx now to get your extreme numbers using your second derivative sign for your critical numbers. Your critical numbers.
Don't forget how to derive. Don't forget
how to derive.
You just need to remember all the rules.
Don't forget
how to derive. Don't forget
how to derive.
You just need to remember all the rules.
I can derive you, I'm not afraid now. You know how I was in the past, and when time passes by now, it'll be clear. We need to study. I need to formulate dy dx now to get your extreme numbers using your second derivative sign for your critical numbers. Your critical numbers.